Welcome back to my channel, Southeast Michigan Weather. I hope you guys had an amazing Thanksgiving break. It's finally Saturday. And I hope you guys got a lot of snow to play outside in, maybe build some snowmen. I know we got quite a bit of snow here. I'd say we picked up a good 2 to 3 inches outside. It's actually snowing right now as I'm filming this. So let's go ahead into that winter storm that we might be expecting next week. So, we're going to skip all the way ahead to Tuesday. We can see a little bit of lake effect snow. This could be a possible hazardous traveling area for kind of the northern Michigan area. So we're just going to keep an eye on that. And then as you see, this storm will start to come down into northern lower peninsula. Then as the storm progresses down, we could see like 1 to 2 inches in our area maybe. This storm will progress. The highest snow totals I would say would be near Duluth or Ironwood. And we can see this would be our next area to watch. This snow does start to come down. I'd say the heaviest bands of snow would be towards the lake because of lake effect snow. Alright, so this is when the snowstorm splits into two. We can see the heaviest snow totals on the lake shore. This snowstorm will eventually push down, like right here. It will push down. I'd say the most of the snow would probably be in this general area. Alright, then we see our secondary threat. This could be lake effect snow. This could be part of that system. We don't know yet, but all we know is it will push down like that and start to make its way towards our area. Alright, so this is when this part of the storm, this is Wednesday night. And then that's going to swoop down and become a low pressure system, and this low pressure system will eventually move down and bring in some rain/snow mix. If you're towards the lake, you'll get rain, but if you are farther inland, you will get snow. Alright, so let's go to our 24-hour snow totals. We can see spots in this area picking up a good 7 inches. And then I'd say maybe in this area, maybe a good 5 inches in this general area. And then I'd say Howell, maybe like a good inch. And then I'd say generally, if you're north of I-96, you have the better chance to get more snowfall. If you're south of I-94, you should not. You should get just like a dusting. But then we're going to go to our secondary model. This model typically literally shows more snow. Up here, it shows 7 inches in just kind of like a little spot. And then we can see 5 inches here still. And it kind of just shows we can get more snow towards I-94. The closer you are to I-94, the more, the higher chance you'll get of an inch of snow. But we're going to go back to our precipitation. Alright, so we're going to go ahead to Friday when we can see our next winter storm move in. This may not be a winter storm. This may be just a quick day of snow and then it goes away. But we're actually going to look at this as a significant snowstorm. Yesterday, models were showing 7 inches of snow in southeastern Michigan. So we're going to skip ahead until this storm hits. Alright, so this is the snowstorm before that 7 inches. We can see the heaviest snow starting to move in here. This snow will have a chance for producing 3 inches of snow per hour. But it'll generally stay to our west, so it really won't hit us. Then we have a high pressure system up here, and this will be our next area of discussion to watch for that additional snowstorm. So here's Tuesday. This is where they are anticipating a huge snowstorm starting to hit us, but it looks like it could transition into rain and then hit us. So yesterday, models were showing that a snowstorm producing maybe 5 inches of snow will hit us on Tuesday, but this has a low chance of hitting us just because the temperatures are going to be higher from that high pressure system will push down, and it'll make a warm front and kind of make the temperatures increase. All right, so we're going to pause it right here with our next area of discussion. This is a winter storm. It's going to come in probably Tuesday. Okay, here's our Tuesday snowstorm. That was the wrong Tuesday. I am sorry, guys. I don't know what is wrong today. That was our wrong Tuesday, but this snowstorm actually looks like it's going to be decreasing and maybe not even hit us. It may just swoop down and hit us for a quick, maybe day or so, but it looks like the chances for snowfall will be very minimal due to the temperatures rising and rain just being in the area. There's a chance that this may become a rain-snow mix, and we could see some severe weather down here. This will be a rainy mix. The north you have a better chance of getting accumulating snowfall. So we're gonna go ahead till Friday. Friday is when we're anticipating our next big snowstorm going to appear. We could see some severe weather down here, possibly. So we're gonna skip ahead until when our Friday snowstorm is projected to hit us. So we can see our rain. This rain will generally push in. We're just going to see some rain. There is a slight chance of severe thunderstorms, but I don't think there will be any. They were calling for a snowstorm on this day, so I'm not sure if that will happen. Here's our snowstorm. So if it does not dry up in this area, there is a low chance we will have accumulating snowfall. It will have to dry up for there to be a winter storm, but it looks like we might just probably get some rain, maybe rain-snow mix in the UP. But it looks like after that, we should not get any more snowstorms. So we're going to go to our total snowfall because I want to see how much snow we'll be getting. Okay, so that's good. Because yesterday we said we might get 7 inches of snow in some areas. So let's go to this model. Alright, so we're saying like 2 inches of snow in this general area, which is not a lot, but the closer you are to I-96, you will be getting more snowfall. 6 inches of snow up here. So let's take it back to Saturday. This might be the Saturday. So I think the snowstorm will have a minimal chance of hitting us. Just generally because it said the 10th. It will hit us, but on the 10th, it looks like we might just get rain. These models have a good chance of changing, so it's not necessarily we will get all rain, but it's a good chance that it will switch over to rain and not hit us. We are calling for a snowstorm right around here on Saturday, but it looks like it may just be a rain storm or rain event that may push through. Might have a decent 4 hours of rain, and then we see this. This does have a chance to move in, but also we got to keep an eye out on this. There is a chance. This is actually no, there's not a chance. This is actually really heavy snow right here. You might be like, oh no, that's sleet. No, it is not. This is about 1/2 inch per hour of snow. So we gotta keep an eye out on that really heavy snow band. But it looks like if you're in this area, kind of like Duluth area, or if you're in like Nebraska, you should get some snow. So let's skip ahead, and we're going to actually focus on Nebraska for the snowstorm. So if you're in Nebraska watching this, and you got that big snow total, it looks like you might be getting 12 inches of snow in a quick 3 hours of that snowstorm, which was actually going to be very rare. We could see blizzard warnings in this area. This model is showing 8 inches of snow, so it's just generally you kind of have to watch out wherever you are. So let's look at our snow depth. We'll see about 6 inches up north. We could see 10 to 12 inches in this area, and we'll see like 2 to 5 inches in that area, but this is our depth change. So this is like kind of like the snow that went down or like melted or something. I don't know what this means, but yeah. All right. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Subscribe to my channel and comment if you like these videos. And I hope to see you guys soon. Bye now.